Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this part of the file and they're trying to do this, but they're not having too much success. And they told me that they made cubes and blended them and then smart filled the blend into it. That's one way to do it, and I'm sure I've got a video out there on doing that, but this is a much easier way and more precise, and it's a pretty good blend. I would do this maybe for the sun type effect or something, but I'm gonna do it in blue. I've already done it in blue. I'm gonna make a large circle. I'm gonna make it blue, and I'm gonna take away the outline. I am going to move these. Well, I'm just going to delete them. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. Then I'm going to move it over here, and I'm going to make it quite a bit smaller by holding down the Shift key. And I'm going to make it almost a, well, I wish I hadn't deleted that. Well, what you can do is I can take the color eyedropper tool and get that color right there. So now we're just going to say how many we're going to do, and we're going to go to Effects and Blend. I'm going to blend a few more times on this one, and I'm going to go like 12. That's all you have to do. And then select them all, go up to Object, break the blend apart, and still select them all and go up to Object, Group, and Ungroup. And then hit P on your keyboard, and you get that. Now select them all and hit B to put them all to the bottom. And that's all you have to do. Since the video is kind of short, let's do one in yellow and see what it looks like for the sun. So let's do this one in red, and this one in a, well, you know what? Let's make it a gold. So I'm going to hold down the Control button and add some white, and then add some burnt orange. Well, you know what? Let's just make it burnt orange. And then take this one and add some yellow. And now let's blend it. That same 12 times. Go up to Object, break the blend apart. But see, you still have a group of blends, so you've got to select it all. Go up to Object, ungroup it, hit P, which puts it in the center of the page, and then hit, which is pretty cool within itself, and then hit B, or T if you want them to the bottom. That's pretty cool. Let's see what it looks like if we took it and converted it to a bitmap. I don't really care what the color is. You know, I'm using RGB, so let's use RGB. And then let's take it and go to Effects and Blur, Gaussian Blur. And let's blur it a little bit. You know, it doesn't really change anything. I thought it would get rid of some of the, well, that's pretty cool, but it's too blurry. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.